Hello guys, and welcome on our YouTube channel ExcelXam. So today we are going to see how to save a workbook for a web page or a website. Now it is possible for you guys to, after finishing working on a worksheet, you can actually save your document on your website or on an intranet or an organizational intranet. So first thing first you need to do is that you go at the level of the file tab, and in the save as, meaning you first of all save the document. The document has already been saved, so we are just going to close it and so when you are done saving the document, you save again the document, but at level of the save as type, you choose the web page type. Okay, you choose the location, and then you save. Good. So this dialog box appearing warns you on the fact that some features on your workbook might be lost if you save it, but it is not big deal. So you can press on yes, and automatically your workbook will be saved in the form of an HTML document, right? That's not all. So when you are done, you then try to close the document, meaning you go at the level of the file tab, and right at the end you're going to see there close. You click there and your file will be closed directly. Right now, when it is closed, you try to open again the document, meaning you go at the level of the file tab, and in the recent files you're going to see there the first workbook, which is your own, and then you reopen the workbook. Good. So as you open the workbook, you're going to see that the Excel grid lines that are appearing behind are no more appearing, just because it is already in a web page format. Now when you are done, you go at level of the file tab again, and you go at level of the save as again. You browse, and as you can see, another option has been entered. So here you are not going to press on save but publish, but before that you are going to choose a location. Good. So you choose a location, but instead of pressing on save, you're going to click on publish. Good. So the publish as web page dialog box appears, and you can choose the item to publish. So since our workbook is on the first sheet, which is named sheet 1, you can either choose to publish the sheet 1, or you can either choose to publish a range of cells, an entire workbook, or the previously published item. Okay, so it just depends on you. You choose the one that fits you the best. Now when you are done, you click on auto republish every time this workbook is saved. So you click on this checkbox, and when everything is alright, you click publish. Okay, good. So we need to browse on the location where we have kept the other one. So let's try to have it. Okay, anyways, there's no big deal. So let's change the item to publish, right? So I think we are going to publish the entire workbook. Okay, meaning the poem comes at the level of the file. Okay, but that's no big deal. If everything is alright, when you click there, the information or the document will be published without any stress, and you can find it on your web page or your websites, and there's without any problem. Okay, so this is the end, and we have come to the end of our video. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, and to share on our YouTube channel ExcelXam. So bye bye.